Hey guys, so here I just want to do a quick cleaning at night. This is midnight that I'm doing this cleaning. I just thought about, instead of going upstairs and the kids are sleeping, why not just go ahead and just do a cleaning right now. So what I'm doing now is washing the dishes in the sink. I do have some dishes already that have been put in the dishwasher, which I will be taking out right after this. So stay tuned guys, and let's do this together, okay?
I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Flashing red lights, driving at night, windowless ride, feeling alive. Nothing in sight, forever in flight. Follow those lines, we'll make it this time. Blurry street lights, work as a guide to memories that we're making tonight. Oh yeah, we'll make it tonight. Yeah, I'll do anything that I feel like I wanna do. I'm living life like I got nothing left to prove. No end in sight, just always staying on the move. I'll go all night if that's just what I gotta do. Life's too short to care about what you can't afford. Memories are in what you explore, so just don't be ignored. Go ask for more, go ask for more. Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? I'm in a race that everybody's chasing fast. They wanna be that someone on the screen at last. They ain't looking inside for their needs in life. They wanna be liked by everybody in sight. But trust me, being free ain't spotlights. No, it's long nights and it's long fights with yourself all the time to get your mind right. But if you put in the work, you can find the light, alright. I'll do anything that I feel like I wanna do. I'm living life like I got nothing left to prove. No end in sight, just always staying on the move. I'll go all night if that's just what I gotta do. Life's too short to care about what you can't afford. Memories are in what you explore, so just don't be ignored.
And then this part is my kitchen island. Just clear all this part, all these things, and go in with a soap, with my kitchen soap and sponge. Once this is cleaned up, you know, on this kitchen island I use it more than any other thing, because when you're like maybe trying to put peanut butter, jelly and jam on your bread, or I don't know, tons of milk in the cup, just some little stains on here. So I want to focus on cleaning it real good. And once I'm done, go in with my granite cleaner and my fiber cloth. Oh my god, do you guys see how shiny this is looking? Perfecto.
Go ask for more, go ask for more. Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit.
So now it's time for me to focus on cleaning my stainless steels. I'm starting with my dishwasher, my recycle bin. For the recycle bin, I'm using paper towel after spraying in the steel cleaner. I just can't stand all these things. So when I clean like this, I feel, I don't know, I feel at peace. The house smells good, it looks good. So that's why I'm so happy that I could do this at night. You know, waking up, all I just needed to do was to sweep, dust and mop, and I was good to go. So henceforth I might be adapting this night cleaning. I do love it. I really do love it. And I've been seeing a couple of cleaning at night and I've been like, man, I can't even waste my time, but it is worth it because my kids didn't bother me. Here I am just sweeping, taking my time to sweep the kitchen, after which I will be mopping.
You alive, or just breathing? Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive, or just breathing? Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide.
Hey guys, so here I'm gonna be doing a very quick review of a Vocosi shoe. Now this is the second time Vocosi is sending me their products to do a review about, and guys, I'm super excited about this. Why? Because I love their shoes. Their shoes are designer dupes. Trust me, they are quality, they do last longer. And as you can see from this one, this is a leopard skin inside nude color and I really do love this. It is so high. Look at the stilettos. It is high, it is beautiful. It has red bottoms. This is the box which I did sit it on. It's so beautiful, guys. I'm gonna go over and try this on with an outfit because I'm gonna be going out later in the day and I'll come back to show you guys. Okay guys, sorry it's a little bit dark in here. I just can't get the lightning to work right, but however guys, this is what it looks like and it just matches perfectly with my dress. The shoes are super comfy. One good thing about Vocosi is you can always find them on Amazon as well, and you can visit their Instagram page. I will go ahead and put the link in the description below. They do have beautiful items. Guys, rate my dressing today. The weather is a little bit cold but it's sunny, but I'm gonna be going out, so this is what I'm looking like. And I am on here rocking my beautiful Vocosi shoes and my cute purse that was gifted to me during Christmas by my brother. Super beautiful, cute. And here we go guys. So if you are interested in this very beautiful comfortable shoes, red bottoms as well, just do remember to hit the link in my description box. I'm gonna be putting a link to the Vocosi website down below. And if you've watched to this very extent, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Okay, bye.